friends, very heartily welcome in Jhatpat Chatpat Sangeeta's kitchen. So today I am making MTR mixed gulab jamun. It is very easy and very fast to prepare. So here I am taking 170 grams MTR gulab jamun mix. In this pack we can make a 28 small gulab jamun. So firstly we prepare sugar syrup by boiling 800 grams sugar and 800 milliliter water. Boil for the 5 minutes or until syrup turns sticky. So after 5 minutes our syrup is ready. So we will keep in other place. Now we will prepare dough for the gulab jamun. There are any lumps, then press with your fingers. For making dough, I used a little less than 1/4 of cup milk. You can replace milk with the water too. Don't be panic to seeing the sticky dough. If the dough is stiff, your jamun will become very dry and start to break while frying. Now keep all dough aside for the 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, our soft and smooth dough without over kneading is ready. Now you grease the both hands with the ghee for preparing small sized of the jamuns. Make a small and a crackless jamun. Be gently rolling, do not apply pressure. So here our jamun is ready for the frying. Heat the oil on medium flame. You can use ghee or clarified butter also. Now it is hot. Now fry the all jamuns on the low flame and stirring in the between. Toss oil up the jamun. It will be fried nicely. Oil temperature should be perfect while you are frying the jamun. It is too hot, then the jamun will be brown on the outside and without cooking in the inside. So it should be proper temperature. Fry until golden brown in the low medium flame. Now remove and drain in the tissue paper. Now apply the same method to remaining jamuns. Fry in the low flame. So here we fried all jamuns. Now keep it at the place. Now time to be keeping in syrup. So for syrup we already prepared. So it is a little bit hot, not too much hot. And for extra flavor, we added 1 tablespoon cardamom powder. Now we added the all jamuns in the syrup and lid it. Let it in the soak at least 2 hours before you serve. Our jamun syrup should be enough for the jamuns because it will be expanding. See, it is in double in size. After 2 hours we can see it is a very fluffy and very tasty flavors. Smell is coming. Wow, it is very spongy. So with the help of MTR mixed jamun, we can make a very fast. Within the 15 minutes we will prepare so many jamuns. So here are some tips while making a jamun. Drop the jamun in medium hot oil and later the fry low flame. Make sure you should be prepare crack free balls to prevent from breaking while frying. If sugar syrup isn't enough, then the jamun will not be double in size, so it should be enough. And sugar syrup and jamun should be warm, not too hot while adding the jamuns. You can add cardamom powder for extra flavor. You can add 1 tablespoon rose essence in this while you're making syrup. And additionally, you can stuff the jamun with the dry fruits to get a crunchy bite. Finally, MTR gulab jamun recipe tasty great when it is a softy and juicy.